बड़े ऑप्टिमिस्ट हैं आप.
As a creative powerhouse, how do you use AI? Is it part of your life, everyday life? How do you use it?
It is. It's basically to shorten emails and to find the right word sometime for something.
प्रॉम्प्ट्स के लिए स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है?
नहीं, प्रॉम्प्ट्स के लिए नहीं. प्रॉम्प्ट वो भी एक कला है ना, वो भी मैं सीख रही हूँ कि क्या लिखने से क्या होगा. क्रिस्पर चाहिए, वो भी आपको बार बार कहता भी रहता है ना कि भाई क्रिस्पर चाहिए, वार्मर टोन चाहिए. Like it's a little game that you're constantly playing with AI. But like some of the memes say, right? The AI, I want the AI to wash my dishes and do all of that and, iron my clothes and do all the menial work. Leave the art to the artist. But I think, Prasun, I think you're very optimistic कि आप जो कह रहे हैं अव्यक्त चीज जो नहीं, AI सब करेगा. AI का अपना एक दिमाग है which is beyond like everything that we put in. It's a quantum leap from what I understand. It's not our traditional. I think people like us who are in our 50s, we have to also expand our imagination क्योंकि हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. हमको लगता है ये एक चीज है, उसको हम बता रहे हैं तो वो वही करेगा. वो तो अव्यक्त चीज को और 10 गुना आपको 50 प्रॉम्प्ट्स देगा. आपको ये अच्छा नहीं लगता, चलिए आप वो दे देते.
2 और 2 का जोड़ हमेशा 4 कहाँ होता है. सोच समझ वालों को थोड़ी नादानी दे मौला. सो ये जो नादानी है ना, वो नादानी की बात कर रहा हूं मैं कि इट्स नॉट मैथमेटिकल. बियॉन्ड मैथमेटिक्स,
फॉर श्योर,
बियॉन्ड ब्रेन, beyond calculation and permutation combination.
No, I'm not disagreeing with it. I'm saying that is going to be marginalized from what I understand it. Like पहले ज़माने में monitor नहीं होता था. जब आप shoot करते हैं, only the cinematographer knew what was being shot. Some of the greatest films have been made in an era where there were no monitors. There was, you had the sound of the thing. I mean, technology was not developed. And we thought, okay, now with all the technology, can we say the films are getting better? So I think we will go over this cycle. There'll be a lot of work that will come out. There's going to be quantity over quality. And then when we will have a saturation and then people will start respecting and admiring those little things that human beings bring. Because human beings are all very unpredictable. Like I was just coming and I have this big bag and there's a little thread, एक woolen thread जैसा है, उसमें एक छोटा सा एक बैग है जिसके अंदर मैं अपना एयरपॉड रखती हूँ. तो फ्लाइट के एयरपोर्ट में किसी एक लेडी ने मेरे साथ बात करना शुरू किया. She was like, oh, this is a really nice bag. But what's that thread? She looked at it like with some disdain. कि वो स्टाइलिश नहीं था, एक गंदा सा पीच का कुछ एक थ्रेड था. तो मैंने कहा मेरा बेटा ना क्रोशे करता है. उसने मेरे लिए एयरपोर्ट के लिए क्रोशे का एक छोटा सा बैग बनाया. नाउ इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू a bag of a working woman coming to an AI conference, you will have her carry a bag, but it's unlikely that you will add a little crochet pouch that the mother, who is also an AI speaker, is carrying. So I think the particularity of things that human beings will bring, that will also continue. And आजकल सब जगह वाईफाई, हमें होटल में जाते हैं हम वाईफाई चलाते हैं. आजकल ऐसी भी जगह है जहाँ पर लोग जाते हैं जहाँ वाईफाई नहीं है. They are seeking out places, but that's always going to be a minority. So I think we have to become collaborators, क्योंकि अगर हम जंग लड़ेंगे between AI and us, it's a losing battle.